Right, back home again, ain't it lovely? And nice being self-employed, isn't it? Come home when you want. It's 3 o'clock, I'm already on the couch with a cup of tea, cup of coffee even. And you never guess who I'm watching. I just put my old telly on and let's have a look who's on the old box. It's old Damo from Dam's TV, look. He's done another podcast. I've just literally put it on, looks like he's chatting to an old mate about something. Yeah, so I'll have a little watch of that in a minute, catch up with all the guys, see what they're up to. But in the meantime, I've got something to unbox, and it's from Rutlands. And I've been looking at their stuff for a while now, and it always looks pretty good. And it's not that expensive either, to be honest. And I was looking the other day, and I just needed another sander. I just felt like I needed a bit more of a comfortable sander. Now, if you've seen the videos I've been using, I've got a Makita little orbital sander. I've got a cordless Makita little orbital sander, but the battery seems to make it a bit clumpy really. I've got a little DeWalt square quarter sheet sander, but none of them I feel are really comfortable to use, and I don't really like using any of them, to be honest. There's nothing wrong with them. They're all great on a flat surface, you know, if you was doing a bit of wood, they're great. But when you're on the wall with them, they're all just a bit vibraty and a bit sort of heavy. The profile isn't as high, so it isn't as low. They're quite a high profile machine. So when you got them on the wall, you know, they want to do this all the time. But anyway, let's unbox this little beauty, and I'll tell you how much it costs and what it's all about. Right, so can you see that there? Let's take you up a bit. That's better, you can see now. I feel like a proper YouTuber now, look, unboxing. So we'll see what this is about. It looked like a good deal, if I'm honest. It looked good. And I'll show you what it was, and then I will tell you how much it cost. So we have got a little dust collector. Not bad, not bad. Quite good quality. It feels quite good. Quite tough, quite solid. We have got a battery, a Rutlands battery, and that is it was quite a powerful battery, that one. It's a 20 volt battery. We've also obviously got a charger, I hope. I'd be pretty pissed off if it didn't come with a charger. Oh yeah, little charger as well. That's not bad. It's only a small one. It's nothing too big. Look, it's in the palm of my hand. It's not a great big thing. That's all right. So we've got that. And then we've got the tool itself, which is this little sander. And the reason I liked it so much is because it's got the grip looks really nice on it, and it looks like a fairly low profile. And it's got one of these pads on it that just flares out a bit at the corners. It's not dead square, it just comes out a bit at the corners. Like. So when you're trying to get into corners of things, it should just get in there a bit better than the other ones. It's a nice shape. Obviously the orbital ones don't. They leave you with an edge to get in with a bit of sandpaper. The DeWalt one, which is a quarter sheet sander, the edges are not that defined on it, so that's really not as good either. But this is, do you know what? It feels nice. It feels really solid. It's got a nice bit of weight to that, and it's got a little dust extractor thing built into it, which obviously you can hook that to a hose. That's not a problem, or you can just put your oh, that's good. Does it go screw on? Or it just clips on anyway? Oh, yeah, it clips on. Do you know what? That's got a really good grip on that. A lot of them just slide on and slide off, and they fall off all the time. But that's got like a little bit of a ribbed sort of thread on it. So when that goes on, you've got to sort of properly push that on, and there's no way that's going to fall off while you're working. And then before you know it, dust is flying out everywhere. So that's a good little positive. So let's see what it's like. So the battery is not that heavy actually. Let's slide that in there. Don't know if it's got any charge in it. Let's see if it's got any. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's variable speed as well, so it has got a, let's try that. That's good, that, I like that. So you get the sander, the battery, a little dust collector and a charger, and that was 100 quid. And I don't think that's bad at all, really. Now, I thought that was a really good deal, because when I first saw the picture and it said 100 quid, I thought, well, that's obviously bare. There's no battery with that. And then when I read, it said, no, you get a battery, 20-volt battery, and a charger. And reading the reviews on it, the battery life is pretty good as well. And it's got a little, you can't see it now because it's quite dead, but you've got a little indicator light at the back. Oh, it's fully charged, look, that's good. So you've got a little indicator light at the back as well. All feels good, feels very like professional really for 100 quid. And that's, I was looking for the one, you know, with a little push down plate that sets them off, but then you start going into money then. And I don't really need a sander that's going to be that expensive. I chuck them about anyway. I'm not very good at looking after things. They'll just get chucked in the box when I'm finished with it. But just for when you're doing decorating, you know, them little areas where maybe you're going around sockets and things like that, and you just want to get in nice and tight up to something and get into the edges, into the corners. I just thought that'd be really nice for that. Even windowsills, you know, getting right into the corners with the windowsills. Using the orbital sanders always obviously leaves you with a little bit to get. And the DeWalt one, I wasn't keen on that, purely for the fact that as well as it being like just a boring square, I didn't like the way the sandpaper fitted on the DeWalt one. You know, it's got them like spring catches, and then you have to cut the sandpaper to the size, and then it wraps under that little clip that you pull down. That is such a faffy system in today's world where we live in, you know, these Velcro papers. So this is just obviously the pads just stick on there. You can get the Merkur pads, they're not that dear. You can get Abranet, whatever they're called, they're not that dear. And they just stick straight on, and that's it then. And then your dust, it gets through them, because them, like Merkur pads, they're like perforated almost, so the dust just goes through. But with the DeWalt one, you had to put the sandpaper on, then you had to push a plate on top of that, which pierces the holes in it. It was such a faff, it really was. So I thought, for the sake of 100 quid, I'll get myself a nice square palm sander. So I shall be using that tomorrow. So I will give you an honest review of what I thought it went on tomorrow. So perfect example for tomorrow. I'm going to be cutting the carpet back on the stairs, hall stairs and landing. So I'll be using this on skirting boards, and I'll be using it up on the stringers of the staircase, you know, the sort of triangular bits, which might let me get in and out. Then I'll give it a little go on top of the handrails and up the newel posts and things like that. So we'll have a good test of that tomorrow and see how that comes out. But yeah, for 100 quid, I thought it's a gamble worth taking, really. And Rutlands seems to have quite a good name. They seem to do loads of good tools, but they're not asking that big money. So have a look on Rutlands site if you're in the market for a few new tools. I've heard good things about them.